Hi, I'm Kristen, and I can't wait to show you the new Evenflo Gold Revolve 360 Rotational all-in-one car seat. This revolutionary car seat turns 360 degrees, making it easier than ever to get your child in and out of any vehicle. You'll love the way the Revolve 360 grows with your child, offering 3 different modes of use for up to 10 years. With the Sure360 Safety Installation System, you can lock the car seat base securely in the car for an easy, one-time installation. To ensure the utmost safety, the Revolve 360 is put through comprehensive testing, going above and beyond industry standards. The on-the-go recline feature shows you how to easily adjust your child's seat without having to reinstall it. And of course, this is an Evenflo Gold product, so it's designed with premium fabrics and finishes, extra cushioning, and a modern style. The Revolve 360 is truly a bold move from Evenflo. Make the turn and see how easy it is to get around.